Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Drew Davis.
And Risha Davis.
And today we want to talk to you about another cool integration with REI Blackbook. And today's feature software app is Calendly. Now, if you don't know much about Calendly, it is a scheduling app. So it's essentially a free app that you can use to get people to schedule appointments with you. And that's pretty much the basics of it. One nice thing about that is they have a free account that you can use to get people to schedule appointments with you, and it's fantastic. And some people even elect to try and connect that with their Zapier and get things going with REI Blackbook. And what we're here to share with you is there's a simple process by which, if you've got an upgraded Calendly account and you use that with Zapier, there's a process by which you can have those Calendly appointments sync right up with your REI Blackbook. And that's pretty cool, because what you're looking to do is get some automation in place. If you use that tool and say, hey, people that book an appointment with me, I want that to go into my calendar. If I'm telling a seller to book an appointment with me and they fill that form out, I not only I want that in my REI Blackbook, and I even want a couple of tasks to go out. Maybe there's some prep work that I need to do to make sure I've got my comps right before I make that visit with that seller. So many possibilities are there just by being able to confirm those calendar appointments. And we've got the ability to integrate that with REI Blackbook. So you can have a cleaner history of events with what's happening with your seller prospects or tenant prospects. So we invite you to take a closer look at that if it's something that you're already using, and we can help you get going.
Our phone number is 602-362-8007. Make sure you give us a call or send us a text and we will get you set up.
Thanks.